Oh, I look like a fucking Snow White. What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to be installing the Shedbuilt Dirty Water Racing Hellcat in-tank drop-in fuel pump for the Mazdaspeed 3. She's sitting over there. We just took it out. This is the OEM one. You know, just all in its beauty. Ugly. And this is the nice, beautiful Hellcat fuel pump. Shout out to Pat Yanovitch for hooking us up with this. This pump will get you about 700 horsepower worth of fuel, so more than you will ever want. And it's perfect because all you have to do is put the float level sensor on. And that's it.
That's it. Shout out to Shedbuilt Dirty Water Racing. You guys hooked them up for sure.
Hell yeah. Let me show you this right quick, guys. When you take the pump out, you're gonna have to cut. This is a very clean cut. You'd probably wonder how we did this. Well,
Don't attempt this at home.
don't do this at home, but Tim's uncle, Paulie, shout out to Paulie, he went fucking bonkers on this one and just, what do you do, sawzall it?
I don't know, I think he used angle grind.
He angled grind this nice window for us. And then after that,
We gotta file it though, Tom.
yeah, we're gonna have to file this. After that, you have these very brittle, soft 8 screws that hold the pump in. This is the screw. These things are a pain in the ass. You can see it's just very soft. It's just corroded. So you're going to want to be careful of this. Don't strip them. You're gonna have to find a way to get them out and just go do yourself a favor. Go buy new ones at Home Depot. The size of these bolts is M4 by 10. So
Nick Adam.
shout out to Nick Adam for letting me know that. Thank you, baby. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go to Home Depot later and get new screws. These are just obliterated. You're going to want to keep this gasket on. And it sits like this. So what you want to do is feed this level sensor in. Get this line out of your way. And you just drop it in.
Don't cut yourself, Tommy.
Oh, yeah, don't cut yourself. This goes here, right?
Yes. There you go. Now we just gotta make the return line for it.
Oh, fuck. This goes on it. Sits like that.
Obviously, Tom always finds a hard time finding the hole.
You know, it sits like that. We're gonna get new screws, put it on. This goes here, and then all you have to do is run an AN fitting return line to your other side of the fuel rail. And that's really it, guys. But we are going to try to find a way to push this down, keep it down, so we don't get vapors coming out. And that's really it. This is the easiest install. I thought it was gonna be a lot more than this, but it goes to show you that you pay for a high quality product and an actual drop-in filter like this.
Well,
so
thanks for Pat for also, you know, putting out some products that just drops in.
hell yeah, thank you, Pat, for this. Well, that's gonna wrap up this video. Definitely more to come. I'll update you guys once we make the fitting. I'll let you know how long the hose needs to be for my setup, and hopefully it helps you guys out.
I think we're also going to make some kind of plate to cover that opening.
We're gonna have to. This is a very large opening.
Yeah.
Go to Mazdaspeeds.org, sign up, read the forum, go read Johnny Tightlip's post.
He's one of the best.
He's one of the best. He is the best. Thanks, thanks Johnny. Thanks JD for helping. You know, deal with my questions. That's gonna wrap it for the video, guys. Thank you so much. We are at 1,399 subscribers. Hopefully we'll hit 1,400 today. And thank you. Shout out to you guys for tuning into the channel. Wouldn't be here without you. And this car wouldn't be what she is without you guys. So thank you.
Oh, hey, one more thing.
What?
This is a Gen 2, right?
This is a Gen 2.
That's why they use screws. In
Fuck
Gen 1.
Gen 2s.
In
Should've bought
Gen 1, yeah, they use like a locking ring. So
Yeah.
it was somewhat easier, I think, to take them
This
out.
should be easier, but it wasn't. So, thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll catch you in the next one when hopefully we put the motor in.